Nobody wants another bill. Can we just be real about that? But here's the truth. Most homeowners don't realize your insurance company has already added a payment for a new roof into your premium, and yet you're still sitting under an old, vulnerable roof. Every year you've been paying extra for the possibility of a roof claim. But when the next storm hits, you're left hoping the coverage is enough, or worse, arguing about deductibles and delays. It's like paying on a car loan for a vehicle that doesn't even sit in your driveway. With High Performance Roofing, there's a smarter path. We'll show you how to finance your Texas-proof roof today and let your insurance company cover the payments. You invest once in the last roof you'll ever need, and you may actually pay less each month than you're paying in hidden premium hikes. And this isn't just any roof, it's the Texas-proof roof. 40-year no hail worry guarantee, lifetime leak and workmanship warranty, up to 40% off your insurance premium, solar reflective for up to 25% savings. Now, you're not just protecting your home, you're reducing your bills. So if you're tired of rising premiums, worried about the next storm, or just want the peace of mind you thought you were paying for already, book a complimentary Texas-proof consultation today. We'll inspect your entire property, check your 10-year hail history, and show you exactly how the numbers work and how your insurance can help you pay for the roof you actually deserve. You're already paying. Isn't it time that you get the roof that comes with it? Texas-proof your roof and your wallet. Call now or click the link to schedule your free consultation.